Can you describe movement correctly in English? Let's test your skill with real life situations. Welcome to the English Language Key. Today we are learning preposition of direction. Words that show movement from one place to another. Let's make it fun with quiz style learning. Ready to master movement in English? Let's get started. Here is your first challenge. He goes. He goes to school every day. Use to for movement toward a specific destination. Jump right in. Where did she go? She jumped. She jumped into the pool. Into shows movement inside something. Climb on up. Where is he now? He climbed. He climbed onto the roof. Onto means moving to a surface. Time to exit. She came. She came out of the classroom. Out of means extinct from a place. Step right here. He stepped. He stepped onto the platform. Onto is used for movement onto a surface. Watch out below. The boy fell. The boy fell off his bike. Off shows movement away from a surface. Where did they start? We traveled. We traveled from Colombo to Kandy. From shows the starting point of movement. Can you cross it? He walked across the road. Across means from one side to another. Follow the flow. She walked along the river. Along means follow in a line, like a path or river. Jump up high. The child jumped. The child jumped onto the bed. Onto is used for jumping or stepping to a surface. Almost there. They run. They run towards the park. Towards means in the direction of. Watch it fly. Where is the plane? The plane flew over the city. Over means above something. Get down low. He crawled under the table. Under means beneath something. Keep moving. She walked past the house. Past means going by something. You are now mastered the full list of direction preposition. Comment your score below and follow for more grammar mastery. Keep in mind, please like and subscribe. See you